Guys, so good morning. My first day of school na guys. Wow, excited ang person. Excited yung person guys. Charot out. Saan? Paano? Basta guys, marami akong sinasabi dyan. Huwag yun na lang pakinggan guys.
Hi guys, so back to school na dyan ta. Tinood na ni guys. Guys, so first day of school, snack na guys. Hi Dian, my classmate guys and my friends. Nawang ka mo, uban guys.
Hindi na pinubuhay tayo.
So guys, hi.
Mamuha lagi ko.
Muli na ako guys. Oh my god. Maka-ML na ako guys. I'm so happy.
Kasi mag-goodbye ka education ron.
Mahimik ka nga. So guys, I'm away na.